Hi guys! It's May here. So for today's video, we will go to Bayan. Hi guys! We're going. Where are we going? We're going to Bayan. Yes, we're going to buy something. We're gonna buy stocks for our house. And next week, we're gonna go buy stocks for us. I don't know anymore. I just woke up and then I chose to go out. Ayan na. Papunta na tayo. Alam niyo guys, it's just a walking distance. Like, super layo lang pero walking distance lang siya. Diba? Ito si Kapupi. What? I think I will be low bat, so I can film all day. I mean not all day, until we got home later. No. Guys, so now we're here at the beer garden. We're waiting for Ella to come out. Papunta na tayo ng bayan. After so many years, ang dami natin hinaanan. Napupuntahan. Ngayon pa lang tayo mamimili, pero nakabili na ako ng uniform ko for San Jose. Grade 11. Nandito na tayo sa bayan. Papasok tayo sa loob. Parang malaki yung sa'yo. Oo.
gusto niyo ano yung mahaba? Ako nga ba? Hindi.
Nagdagan. Tingin nga dito. Ayan, bibili namin ng uniform and binabarat niya yung tendera. Manok yun. Opo. Hi!
Yung 50 na. Mga 50 na. Wala kang pamasahe.
Sabi mo kanina 160. Manipulator will do. Ay, lagay mo ipakad mo ka kaya. Ayun kami. Hindi ko nga yan eh. Oo. Hello guys, tapos na po kami kumain. Siya ang mastermind. Ayan. Tapos na kami kumain. Super haggard. And may pupuntahan pa kami isa, then we're gonna go home.